The Ohlmann Group is a full service agency. We provide media services, creative services to clients in the area. My goal as a director of digital media at the Ohlmann Group is to make sure that we effectively and efficiently execute all of our campaigns. We started with a couple of other different ad tech solutions and they just really didn't work out. They were clunky, hard to use. And so we started using StackAdapt and just learned how quickly we were able to set up campaigns, diagnose issues, and ultimately make our campaigns outperform what they did in the past.
Because of all of the mediums that StackAdapt offers, we're able to run a wide series of everything that we want to do for a client. So within the campaigns, I'm able to set up audio, display, video, in-game advertising, everything all in one platform. Makes it much easier when I'm trying to set up audiences, that I can get everything that I need and know that that's going to work well. We're seeing the click-through rates rise for our clients. We're seeing the impressions rise. Now their open houses are actually selling out. We're working with a local university. One of their main goals was to increase new students coming in, increase their visits to their open houses. So with StackAdapt, we've been able to set up a whole marketing funnel for this one campaign. We are running audio, we're running connected TV, pre-roll, display, and so we are running some awareness campaigns, getting them in, and then doing some audio completion retargeting, some video completion retargeting, and we are bringing those students back, moving them down the funnel, and then starting them onto their conversion journey. So with StackAdapt, we're easily able to set up the conversion pixels. It makes it, we can do form fills. We can also look at the page views and see who's coming in, and then retarget those, the interested parties, bring them back in, get them to sign up for their open houses, and that's what the client's seeing. We're actually seeing more and more students coming in for their open house.
As a director of digital media, it's important to have a multi-channel platform that really works with you and helps you achieve your clients' goals with efficiency and without issue. And StackAdapt is that multi-channel platform that really helps us achieve that goal.
I think our clients really trust us. They know that we are going to deliver exactly what we've promised to deliver, which is on-time campaigns, on-budget campaigns, and campaigns that run and perform really well. And so with StackAdapt, we know that that's what we're delivering.